How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. So if you want to delete all of your Facebook activity log all at once, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and after that scroll down and you need to go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, now you need to scroll down and here you'll have an option of activity log. So simply tap on activity log. Once you tap on it, if you swipe right, then you will have an option of activity history. So search for activity history and you will get the activity history right here. So tap on the activity history, which is on the upper right, and here you will have all of your histories. So if you want to delete the history, then what you need to do is just simply select the one that you would like to delete and go with the right side, and you will have delete option. Tap on delete. But if you want to delete all of them, then what you need to do is just go back and you need to go with the account center, tap on account center and go with your information and permissions, and tap on your activity of Meta Technologies and tap on clear previous activity, and go with your Facebook and tap on clear, which is on the right side, and go through all of the options and then go with clear previous activity, which is on the bottom, and it will be cleared. So that's how you can delete your Facebook activity log all at once. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.